Laurel Tavern. They're both at 6:30 p.m. The other one is the first Tuesday of every month, and we usually have a speaker at that event. It's out of Pasadena, California. The next one is going to be a 1031 exchange specialist that's going to be talking about 1031 exchange. Thank you for having me.
Hello everyone, my name is Edward. I'm a buy and hold real estate investor here in Los Angeles County and Inland Empire. I'm here to network, collaborate, building long-lasting relationships, and yep, that's it. Thank you.
Do you do mainly single family, multifamily, business properties? What's kind of your
Single family is in my portfolio, but of course also looking to collaborate and break something with Alex with the next fix and flip. So, yeah, awesome.
Mary, you're up.
I'm a newbie.